disappointed, but we know we got to keep working. We played some good teams, but and we was right there in all but one game. So we just got to look at it as we still have to improve a little more to find a way to close the game out in the fourth quarter. Of course, anytime you go to a new league, and especially this one because it's so tough and you're playing good opponents every night, I feel like this is one of the best leagues in Europe. But it's taking the time for me to adjust, but I think I'm handling it well. Every day I'm getting more comfortable in my role and what I have to do to give us a chance to win. Yes, it's very important, and hope the fans come out and be that extra boost that we need to win the game, because it's very important. I know we're 0-4 right now. We're at a tough moment, but the guys in the locker room, we're gonna fight, and we're gonna fight to the end on Sunday. Yes, Coach does want me to score a little bit more to help the team. Anything coaches want, I'm stepping up to the challenge. I feel like I'm a good scorer. Just got to pick my spots, and when is a good time for me to be aggressive on the offensive end, and when is the time to just stay back and let my teammates take control. I feel good. I feel like I'm in good shape right now, and I'm understanding my teammates day by day and what they like to do, and as far as the guards setting the screens, how they like to for me to set it, and just building that chemistry with them. I feel good about it, and it's improving day by day.